Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGauteng ubambisene nenyuvesi yase-South Africa ebizothi ke iUNISA bethule ngokusemthethweni uhlelo olubizwa ngokuthi Human Resource Development Council lapho ke kuphinde kwaseqokwa ke amalunga okuyiwona ke azoqinisekisa ukuthi konke kuhamba ke ngendlela efanele ikakhulukazi ke nasekuthuthukisweni nokulethwa ke kwamathuba kubantu abafuna ke amathuba ke wemsebenzi. Kuyintokozo ke ukusho ukuthi ke nathi njengoba siyithembisa online sihalalisela ke insizwa uvuyo lwethu akwasibiya okuyinsizwa ke ephuma ethembisa siyibonile ke nayo ke simama njengalokhu ke nayo ithole ithuba lokuthi ke ibe yilunga la soke lesisigungu esethule kulolu suku lwanamhlanje. Njengentatheli ke sibe nethuba lokuthi ke sibe nenkulumo nondunankulu wesifundazwe saseGauteng umhlonishwa uPanyaza Lusufi kanti ke yena uphawule kanje.
So our present as MEC Mutara said, we are dreamers. And I can tell you, those who thought about Gautrain almost 20 years ago were accused of being dreamers, you know. So today we have launched a council that will assist us to shape our dream about the future jobs in Gauteng, the future careers, and the future economy of Gauteng. We might have relied on gold when this province was established. Me and you, we know that gold is gone. There is a digital economy. There is an economy that is in various spaces. It can be the Uber industry or it can be various industries in the engineering space and other things. And as Gauteng, we can't sit down and say, hey, we've got gold and therefore we can't move with times. The job places changes literally every day. All of you used to come here with a van for a live show. We now carry small bags. So we have to move with times. And I'm excited today we've launched a council that will assist us to be agile and move ahead with times and ensure that we create jobs that will be relevant to the economy. But 22 of the major sectors were here. That's why we took pictures with them. These are sitters, these are universities, these are workers, academics, various institutions, the banks, business. So all of them have embraced that they're willing to work with us. It's not a budget per se, because some of these institutions have mandate. For example, universities have mandate to train. So they will continue to do that mandate. Business also has a mandate to contribute a fee for sitter training. They will always do that. We are just doing coordination from our normal budget as a department. So this is not a multi-billion investment or multi-million investment. It's a continuation of our day-to-day work. And we hopefully will reach as many people as possible. You can see from the presentation, we are now strengthening what we say is the NAS Hispanic program, which is a program that attracted ordinary people who are marginalized in the township. The TSEPO 1 million is to target young million in township, informal settlements and hostels and say there are opportunities of training, here are the opportunities to get a stipend, to be part of an expanded public works. But our focus is in universities and higher education institutions because that's the skills that we need so that they can be skills of the future. They don't qualify and be left because if they qualify and they can't get jobs, we are recycling poverty, we are recycling unemployment. So I'm excited that universities are here, TVET colleges are here, the South African Qualifications Association is here. So we have a pool of people that will ensure we don't recycle poverty, we don't recycle unemployment, we don't recycle people who get degrees but they can't get jobs. So we're getting the relevance and we really believe that the economic plan that we presented today, it will really set the path to have a better Gauteng. To be quite frank, the withholding of grants to municipalities was unfortunate. We understand the reasoning by the minister that you can't continue to release funds if they are not used for the purpose that they've been. So we've been in discussions with the minister. I'm proud that majority of the municipalities from Gauteng that were part of that process have been released. All our municipalities now receive their grants, so we don't have a problem because we've got an IGR that is functional in our province, and I remain hopeful that it will not harm municipalities going forward. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Sibe sesiba nethuba lokuthi ke sikhulumisane naye uvuyo lwethu wakwaSibiya ongumuntu omusha ophinde ke aphume ke endaweni yaseThembisa mayelana ke nalolu hamba selithatha njengamanje. MfowakaSibiya sikunika ithuba ubingelele ababuki ekhaya eThembisa njengomunye wabantu ababuye eThembisa.
Asibingelele ababukeli beThembisa online. Gama lami uvuyo lethu waSibiya ngibuye eThembisa. Ngiyabonga ithuba.
Started as umuntu obefunda indaba waqala waba ke ishoshovu somphakathi ukhulisa izinto wahlomelisa abantu abasha ngamakhono wangena kwi youth advisory epanel namhlanje useyindaweni ezinkulu usichazele kabanzi ngalokho kwenzeka la namhlanje.
It's a surprise to me. I didn't expect it, but I think ukuthi mfanele umsebenzi ongiwenzile ongikhulumelayo right now. Okwempela nje I didn't expect it. I was just invited to come and be part of this launch Human Rights Development Council. As umuntu omusha from eThembisa to be in places like this, I feel so humbled and honored. I didn't expect it. I don't have words, in fact. Yeah.
Mhlambe ngiyazi ukuthi ke into eqalayo into entsha kodwa ukuba ingxenye yabantu abaphuma endaweni ehlokahlene kunodokotela kunama academics kodwa njengawe njengomuntu omusha engicabanga ukuthi abantu abasha mabebuka wena bazobe beba nethemba lokuthi hayi akusiyona nje into yomntakabani kodwa naku uvuya ungenile.
Kuzoba ukusebenza kanzima kuyona opportunity lenginikezwe uyena undunankulu uPremier uPanyaza Lesufi ekuthena abantu abasha bathuthukiswe emakhonweni enye yezinto besibalwa la ukuthi ke iSouth Africa especially eGauteng provincial government ifocus yayo isekutheni letha ama skills kubantu abasha ukuze bezokwazi ukuthi bazimele bathuthukise umnotho weprovince. Ungena kwami la ngizokuqinisekisa ukuthi ke abantu abasha especially emalokishini although ngizoqala iKaslami eThembisa kuzoba abokuqala ekutheni makunama opportunity so babe ngabokuqala abantu ukuthi bazi ukuze bathuthuke baye phambili nabo.
MfowakaSibiya siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much.
Yake muzwa kwethu asibahalisele ke bonke abakwazile ukuthi ke babe ingxenye lalesi sigungu okuyisona ke esibizwa ngokuthi Human Resources Development Council. Ezindabeni zeThembisa online. Ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu wakwaZanibe. Ithombe nemsindo siqoshelwe ubanelo Brazo Sondlo ebamisene noSihle Ngwini eUnisa eTshwane.